Jarib, sin a chéad leasan fonaigs acad an teachtain. Déanamh cínteach go bhfuil peann, borsgeal acad agus clár fhuaim an gnéitin. Va scoil foscailte de húne is haimisteach as thuc mi seo sias van bhela. Chamór sa hae. Magadíadh, tá si cimid levi a sínig. Leis go bhfuil sin chamór, stochen er gaat zien vast, dus kan zien je nou maken aarstje wat je. Kersan nachtje, er is het zo lekker leer. Kersan nachtje en zien shit maar. S, o, f, s, f, z, sh. Meer verreeg. Daarna lijn je biesje je bakketig. J, p, h, h. G, d, k, b, t, qu, x, w, ch, y, x, t. Magadíadh ag go bhhain siat na fhuaimreachan. Dhéimín sa mo choreachar sin sa saoiníadíos. Cuir sin chiat join acu ú ar corachan. Trí a hun. A, e, o, o. A, e, o, o. A, e, o, o. Agus a rútan an cín lítichin. E, I, o, u. E, I, o, u. E, I, o, u. Da wy me Gàidhlig. Ow! Oi! Ow! Oi! Ow! Oi! Magadíadh, chun nóid me hasin na déanamh a dú, agus sé a ham, an fhuaimreach ag an Gàidhlig. Me chéti sin thermór a chláir fhuaim an canéitin, hí sin go rain sin imig roie, se unta úla go haseo. Look at the book. Poo at the zoo. Huge brute. Agus a hasanachal wood agus wouldn't. She a haseo, a hasinne go bhí déanamh an dú. Chew the stew. 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 Seo an flú racinne. Ní sin seo dí chéile. New, jewel, grew, blue, flew, screw, chewy, drew, chew the stew, mheadhan, chew the stew. Airson blach gan dú tí gan big etrialite, ní sin darút. Hiatrút seána mé gaibh na flashcards, fáci mí trídícin agus an nóir sin canna sin at the chéile. An darnarút ar sin féimi sin se borsgeal is peann, agus an nóir sin chachanní ach an runnan gádach. So can go bhfuil mé gra make a cake, scríbhí se an diagraph aha as a runnan sin. A bhar sin na déanamh ceart, tá si chiimiid le na flashcards. A, may I play? Oh, you're not done. Air, that's not fair. Ow, shout it out. A, make a cake. Air, a better letter. I, nice smile. R, start the car. Oi, toy for the boy. Ceart, in nóir sin, ha mis go bhí díadach an rannan agus a sé se scríbh sias an diagraph. Goat in a boat. Goat in a boat. Scríbh an diagraph sias. Té seo? Trí a hun. Ding! Gàidhlig. A snail in the rain. A snail in the rain. Scríbh an diagraph sias. Tiri a hun. Ding! Phone home. Diagraph Jason. Tiri ega ahun. Ding. Care and share. Care and share. Skrif een diagraph. She is diach een diagraph. Un, ga, tri, ding. Care and share. Fly high. Fly high. Jason? Tiri ega ahun. Ding. Shaw ferme yerig nishin and Jew. Brown cow. Brown cow. Tiri ega ahun. Bing! Gleva! Maraha isakif ndra hashni din of the lesson and phonics a hasho, so scum ya ekadai, hashinya etian of show. Hashinya ekiusach fhuaim in the barrel, gus barrel elevig agus litrach isakim ulik edition. Hashinya goprach get a show, gus barrel elevig agus gus barrel litrach gu cast. So tashi himage levi elevig. Tashi shin la fair fhuaim. Bing! Ashe tri. Tri ega ahun fewer. Fewer. Tri diagraphen on him. Fewer. Sit ma fewer. A hard shin nummer ha colloquy me fewer na he. Ach gedjera she fakkel fhuaim a him ounce virula. Ding. Tri ega ahun jewelry. Jewelry. Nionach mean jewelry. Has je gra jewelry. Ha jewelry aram. Ha jewelry akket. Ach je jewel eri. Ha na fhuaim in a gish again. Ach je jewelry. Ha vi shin campaign an air or an air better letter shin ik in jidig. Ma he fair ele ha fhuaim. Skopeter ga ono shita. Oops. Fair ele ha fhuaim. Ding! Tri ega ahun recu. 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 Hamnuring gain an coot an sentence or chef fair fhuaim ahun. Recu. Hayaltin of keel sli. Fair fi. Ding! Tri ega ahun renewing. Renewing. I'll be renewing my membership to Twinkle tomorrow to renew something. Rutta ha eentje nog mun fakkel new. Ha da hjorsje new aan. I got a new klaar fhuaim geneten van skank te hunje. I knew it was there. Knew to know something. She silent K hound ach she has diagraph agus na féte sin a klaar fhuaim an geneten, hi sin gewel an airson aun. So ni sin je ishampler and do le new agus new, a new top, and I knew that fact at the top of my head. Fair ile airson leve gedu, ding! Tri ega ahun interviewing. Interviewing. They'll be interviewing for that job next week. Interviewing. Ew, chew the stew. Ma Gàidhlig. Nisha, Dian Keenjach gyfer piel nacket, gyfer borg giaw acket, agus skrifi sin fakkel nuchele. Ha sheisha a kur gefe me skillen ak gyfer ew, chew the stew, gus fakkeln ew elitrachig. Hit fakkel. Nephew. Nephew. I have a nephew in America. F. Ooh, chew the stew. F. Ooh. J. F. Hasho. F. And ye F dubbeltje a ham. She P. H. And F. A hashen. F. Ooh, chew the stew. Skrivet nephew. She is nephew. Nephew. Fakkel carnion noch a hound. Nache. Nephew Jason, shall we see the borst? Tri ega ahun. Ding! Nephew. Nephew. Ma Gàidhlig. Fer ile shon skrivig. Newspaper. Newspaper. I can't remember the last time I actually bought a newspaper. Newspaper. Ooh, chew the stew. S. News. P. better letter. Better letter. Newspaper. Skrif newspaper she is. Newspaper. Newspaper. Leasan. Jesus yn swn i chialting. 3 ega hun. Ding! Newspaper. Newspaper. Mheadhan. Fair me yerig sy'n skrif gydaw. Chew the stew. Chewing. Chewing. Ch. Ing. Ch. Ing. 3 best mates. 3 diagraphing. Skrif chewing. I got a row from my mother for chewing with my mouth open. I never do that anymore. No, mi vogal gojara. Chewing. Cast 3 ega hun. Ding. Chewing. Chew the stew. Chew the stew. Gàidhlig scope that I'm sure cast. Hashin jesha levi a litrachig, I guess a levig, so she elma helmaha, as an sentence garach akinira ek indidig. I guess a Jew and we jech a ket, because I'm kind of ham. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview with the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview with the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. Shapesha. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. Gàidhlig, cwrysyn pain gychwyddish. G ha awnec toshach sentence, litcher vor. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. Kalishk thing. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. Sean trip me yerig. The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. Gàidhlig, jesal sin ysgrifig, bors agus piawn acwysio jesal. Cainichef lichter vor ec toshach sentence. A da heosha new am mheadhan. New agus newspaper. Cainichef coen fair a gyfel tost. Diagraph for sin. Imig diagraph for show you. Ew. Kerst. Jamie and Fackle wouldn't wrenching shin just doon as a live skrivi akinje. She a hawn of the east. Stock and names you get the race a clar fhuaim and ganakin or J shore she a hat on a hen. Talich delicious. J shores on the boors to helping Gàidhlig. Cashma. 3 ega a hen. Ding! The nephew I knew wouldn't interview for the newspaper crew. Magadíide. A mi diolch o ffeic yn eich mi clisfainig yn jedig. O, fof, gafydd malisgal. Fwrs cro. Clisfainig jedig sentence. Magadíide. Tapal y fersiwn i fi colrwm ar y safis ag is hawa yma cha y gyrian y jarsig. Gleidda, chwn yna, wyr. Bye bye.